This is the beginning of the great blizzard of 2011. I don't know if you can see, but the snow's coming down pretty good. Here in Missouri, 6 inches of snow is a lot of snow. We're supposed to get 12 to 18 inches. I don't know if you can see it, but I've got some firewood. Got my big black dog. He's easy to see in the snow. And I'd like to say that people that like to make fun of preppers, this is the kind of stuff that prepping comes in real handy for. They're expecting power to go out. They said alternative heat source, find a way to use electricity. Well, I've got a 5K generator and 20 gallons of gasoline for it. That'll get me right around 24 hours of electricity.